Hello there, my name is Karen and I am the Baby Guru. The Baby Guru services are the services that help new parents bring to light all the information that they need for all the gear that they want to buy, but usually find it pretty confusing. So the Baby Guru is here as a resource for the new parents to see what it is they should buy, how to buy it, the questions to ask, where to buy. It's really easy. So you should definitely subscribe to my website, www.thebabyguru.ca, because it will take all that pressure that all new parents feel right off your shoulders. So today what I want to do is I want to do a Guzzie and Guss Oxygen stroller. This is a fantastic smaller stroller, great for in and out of the car, great for traveling with, great for everyday purposes, for lighter use. But I am in love with this product because there's so much going on with it. It pretty much covers a lot of ground. So I've got it set up right now in the newborn part of the program. So not all these small strollers will do newborn friendly activities, and this one does them all. So right now I'm going to show you what it looks like with the infant car seat. It'll take any infant car seat. There are straps on each side that have little hooks that you put on that come with the stroller that go over the top. So I'm going to show you how that's going to look. So this is how it looks when the baby is all cocooned, ready for a nap in their car seat. Fantastic. This covers and meets the canopy here. This canopy that obviously belongs to the car seat can go down here. The handle can go back, but there is a strap right here. So if I put my handle back like this, okay, there is a strap that comes right the way across the top of the car seat, any car seat, and it will hold it totally in place. I love it. So convenient for in and out of the car, so convenient for traveling through the airport, just convenient, period. That literally just unbuckles and drops, and these will go inside the basket, and you're able to take the car seat just out literally like that. So I'm going to put this one over here. I will come right back to you, and here I am. Okay, so now I'd like to have a look at the bassinet. A bassinet area on a stroller is awesome for the walk, the talk. It gives your baby that flat laying position, so the spinal cord is flat, their stomach is flat, so this whole piece here is nice and flat. Digestive system is running flat. It's better than having them curled up a lot. So if you put them in the seat and have them curled up, they're actually they're so little that their belly is a little bit curled up. You're better off flat. And let's face it, you and I both sleep pretty flat. There we go. So this does provide a really ideal situation for the babies. The canopy pulls over, and then there is a zipper. Let's do this part. That will go right over, and it allows for extra coverage. Plus this piece, this front piece, it can be out or I can tuck it in. I like to see the canopy out most of the time. There's always some weather that we need to protecting our children from. So I like to see the canopies all the way out, and with newborns, definitely full coverage. So we've got the car seat part of the program done, canopy is done, and the bassinet area. The bassinet area is created with these zippers right here. So when you undo this zipper, this little piece right here has a circular piece of Velcro on this side. This sticks to the underside of the footrest. It's simple. It's easy. I love it. So I'm going to undo both of these because this will allow me to move on to the next phase. And that will go like that. The footrest in turn, there's these little pieces. I'm not sure if you can see these, but there's little levers here which will pull, and I'm able to put the footrest down, and it can stay up or it can go down for older children so they can put their feet right here. Fabulous. So now I've got it in stroller position. I'm going to tuck the straps inside that I used for the car seat, and they just go in there. There's like a little hook here that they hook onto, so that makes it really easy. I would leave them there when you're in the newborn or the baby phase. I would just leave them there. There's no point in taking them out, and let's face it, we tend to lose things like that. So Here we have it now as a regular stroller. It's in lay down position, and so usually you're going to want to have it sitting up, correct? Okay, so sitting up pretty much always comes from the back of a seat. There's a strapping system here. So if you have a look at this strapping system, see if I can balance, probably not, but anyway, we just pull. So the pull on this strap allows us to get the seat to sitting position. You could leave it anywhere you want on that little journey up and down the strap to get any kind of a seating position you want. This is the newest of the Oxygens. The older style had the strapping system, but there was not an issue, but there was definitely, I'm just gonna pull it as far up as I can get it. Okay. So some people struggle to get it really, really, really far up. And so as your children get bigger, they usually want to sit right up. And so if the seat is leaning back a bit, it can be annoying for them. So these guys, gotta love it, listen to the input they were getting, and they actually put an extra strap on here to create a full, complete and utter upright sitting position. So there is an extra strap, where is it? Right here. Here and here, that when you push and you do that, that's going to give it a complete and utter full upright. This complete upright is amazing for those older children because they want to be totally up. Little ones are okay leaning back a little bit, but older children want to be up. So they've covered that ground, negated that issue. So there's your full upright position. 5-point harness. These are all removable so that you can take them off and throw them in the laundry, or just take them off because you feel that you don't need them. They don't have to be on there, but they've made this so that you can totally remove them, store them somewhere, put them somewhere. If you're going to take those straps off that belong to the actual car seat part of the program and you're going to take these off, I suggest you put them in a little Ziploc bag and you label them parts and pieces for my Oxygen stroller, and then you will never lose them or just look at the bag and go, what the heck are these? So I think that that's a nice little tip. On the sides here, we have lots of ventilation. The ventilation actually can be covered up, so in the winter, if you don't want to have that cooler air coming through, these little pieces will roll down and go all the way down so that they're covered, which I love. I've got both of mine rolled up right now because, as you can see, it's nicer weather, so we want that ventilation. You have got independent suspension on all 4 wheels, which definitely makes for a smoother ride. And this is a super easy braking system, which is flip-flop friendly, which I love to do these in my flip-flops to show you what is and is not going to be flip-flop friendly. So there you go. As far as folding goes, it really is extremely easy. It's up here on the handle, and there is a lever that goes this way and a squeeze. It can be done with one hand. If you want to do it with one hand, I do believe that most people are going to grab and do it with 2 hands. Pull with the thumb, squeeze with the fingers, and down it goes. And as you can see, it is going, and it is very, 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 very easy. Whoops. There is a frame lock on this side. So frame locks are what keep the frame together. So this piece goes over here. So this piece is going over here to stop the stroller from basically unfolding when you're trying to pick it up, folded to say put in the car. I don't want to be able to grab this. I need to be able to grab this and kind of into the car it goes. Parenting isn't always smooth or particularly gentle. So that is a really good situation where you need a frame lock when you just kind of want to quickly hoop into the car. So that's how my Oxygen looks folded. She'll stand by herself like that. And here, I've hung my bag. This product comes with everything you could possibly need, as far as I'm concerned. Let me find my zipper. That would be awesome. Might have been better if I'd unzipped it first, but I didn't, so I'm gonna have to motor on here. So this is my travel bag. there you go. What can I say? If you're going to go places, it's best to cover these up. And it really is not going to protect it from damage. It will protect it from scratches, which if you're going to travel with it and they're going to put it into, say, the undercarriage of the airplane, chances are they're throwing something on top. So it just prevents some scratching. So I can easily put my oxygen into this bag. And I just feel that this company has really looked at this product and given you absolutely all the bits and pieces that you could possibly need when you're looking at a small stroller and a travel style stroller to keep it clean, functional, with that everyday parenting needs. I think they just have it going on. Okay, here we go. Aha, success, success. Okay. All right, so here we go. She's in her bag. There we go. Perfect. So there's your oxygen stroller in the bag. Here's my strap. They've even put a nice padded piece on the top so I'm able to carry it beautifully over my shoulder. So now I have two hands. When you have children, you need your hands as much as possible. So I feel that Guzzie and Guss, great job. Absolutely one of my #1 picks for function, quality, price point when it comes to your smaller style strollers. Thanks so very much for joining me. Love doing these one-on-ones on how to use your products. I truly feel like I'm helping you put some reason to the products that you're looking to purchase. My name is Karen. I am the Baby Guru, and please join me on Instagram and also on my website. I'm sure the caption will tell you. It is thebabyguru.ca. Have a great day and happy travels, everybody. This is just one of dozens of Baby Guru videos to help you with your product choices and planning. Follow me on Instagram for daily news and reviews. For any questions, either DM me or email me at info@thebabyguru.ca.